What's up, guys? Today we'll be checking out this portable monitor by the brand InnoView. What's special about this monitor? It's actually a 15.6-inch monitor that offers 4K resolution. So what we're gonna do right now, we're actually gonna unbox it so you guys can check it out. Here's the box that it came in. Let's bring it out. Let's see if we can do this. It came nicely packaged, as you guys can see. We also do get a user manual. Here's the user manual. And it's a portable monitor, so let me bring it out so you guys can check it out. Here's what the monitor looks like. As you guys can see, it has a beautiful display right here in the front, 15.6 inches. On the right side, we do have looks like a menu button and maybe like a settings button right here. So we're gonna give you guys a close-up. An auxiliary hole right here for the headphones, and on the left side we do have the HDMI port. We also have a USB-C, two USB-C ports, and this one has a built-in stand. It looks like we have a built-in stand right here, which is really nice, and it's a very nice, it feels like a nice like metal plastic feel with some nice hinges, so it closes up and down. And right now we're also going to show you how to plug it in. So let me put that down. Also inside the box we do get the connections. We get all these connections right here. Looks like we get a USB-C to USB-C. We get an HDMI cable. We also have a power brick right here. And we also get another HDMI to HDMI. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and test it out with our PC and possibly our MacBook to see how it looks and how easy it works. And a nice little cleaning cloth. That's what we get inside. Check it out, guys. We're playing a 4K game video. It looks really good. The graphics on it look really good. And that's very detailed. So right now we have it plugged in into our desktop. So for the desktop, you need, if your desktop doesn't have the USB-C that, you know, gives power, you have to plug it in via HDMI, and then you plug this one to the wall outlet. So you need that. But we're also going to try it out with our MacBook. Our MacBook, we're going to try and see if we can just use the USB-C port to give it the power right then and there. But it looks really good. Check it out. And it even has built-in speakers. So once you press these buttons right here, you see the buttons right here. Let's see what this one's for. So you can change it from HDMI to Type-C, one of the buttons right here. And then there's a little level right there to kind of do and select and stuff like that. But it looks really good, guys. So right now we're playing a video directly plugged in, extending our monitor from our MacBook. All you need to do is grab your USB-C cable, plug it in directly on the left side right here onto this port right here. You get two USB-C ports and an HDMI. We get the nice built-in kickstand, the power button right here, and the menu for HDMI and USB-C connection. It is right there. So as you guys can see, this video looks amazing. It looks very clear, running very smooth, no buffering, and pretty much is the perfect way to extend your monitor, you know, if you're extending it to a laptop, a MacBook, or anything like that. So overall, very good quality, very well made from InnoView. We just want to show you guys this product. We really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.